How about this for excitement? This might get you going, Will. Qualcomm's new Snapdragon sound certification, which is promising improved wireless audio. And because, not all wireless audio is created equal, they're aiming to put a certification badge so you know what you're in for when you pair a Snapdragon device with a Snapdragon sound certified headset.
Okay.
And what is going to happen if you do this is you are going to receive all kinds of features over the wireless, taking advantage of the company's latest processors. Bluetooth audio, SoCs, and codecs like aptX Adaptive to achieve playback of hi-fi music up to 24-bit 96 kilohertz. These are things you want in your life. You understand? Now, this is especially interesting right now because we've seen a little bit of a movement towards high fidelity audio from the likes of Spotify launching the hi-fi thing. We talked about it here on this show because we talk about everything here on this show. In fact, if it happens in the world, it happens on this show. Yep. I don't know if you caught that yet, but it's a thing that's been happening here on Lou Later. It happens, we talk about it.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the gist of it.
You know what we do? I was talking to Kirk this morning. What we do over here, Will, we read the internet so you don't have to. Yeah, you see, that's what we do around. It's a tagline, one of many taglines. Anyway, so here's how the concept breaks down. Many manufacturers can get this certification. Qualcomm's components are already found in headphones and earbuds from companies like Bose, Jabra, one more Sennheiser, Audio-Technica, Anker, etc. So a lot of people can be able to hop onto this certification. Now you know how Apple has the tight integration when they go with the AirPod type products, special features, things like this. So imagine now all these third parties tag up with this certification over here, gather all those features, and then people know what they're in for.
Yeah, I wonder if they're just going to have like some sort of icon or logo that's associated with getting like a...
I think it would be on the box and on the website. I mean, you're going to have to pay some attention. In fact, right now, I think it's only one headset that has this. Let me see real quick. I believe that I read that it is only currently one, but it will be showing up on more anyways. So keep it locked and stay tuned. Okay. So here's some interesting, I should mention, aside from making it easier to listen to high-res music, Snapdragon Sound will also improve your voice call quality and lower the latency when playing games down to 89 milliseconds. There's also a priority on connection stability. So it's just tighter integration and more capability, letting your devices speak to one another, which I don't know. I don't think anybody's complaining about that. And maybe they will complain about that if they charge you a few more dollars for it. All of a sudden you start paying for these certifications, but we'll have to wait and see if that's how it plays out.